Hello guys, welcome to the 8th video of the base method of multiplication. In this video, we will be multiplying three numbers near a base. And like we always say, the best way of learning mathematics is by solving a lot of questions. So we will be solving these four questions in this video. Okay. The formula that we are going to be using in this video is x minus a into x minus b into x minus c is equals to x cube minus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x minus abc, where x is a power of 10. Okay, that is x is either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 and so onwards. Alright, now let us get started. Now the first question is 95 into 96 into 97. Okay, now we have to be careful when we are solving this question, because this is a new type of question and this might be the first time that you are solving this. Now we write down all these numbers like this: 95, 96, 97, and then we take the base is equals to 100. Now 95 is 5 away from 100 and 95 minus 100 is equals to minus 5. So we will put minus 5 over here. For 96 we are going to write minus 4, and for 97 we are going to write minus 3. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select one number out of these three numbers. Okay. Now let it be 95. Now do not pick the number in front of it, rather pick these two numbers. So we get 95 minus 4 minus 3, and then keep it here. Next thing that we are going to do is we are going to take the sum of all these quantities taken two at a time. So minus 5 into minus 4 is equals to 20. Minus 4 into minus 3 is equals to 12, and minus 5 into minus 3 is equals to 15, and hence now we are going to add these numbers. So write down 20 plus 12 plus 15. Okay, and lastly we are going to take the product of all of these three numbers, that is minus 5, minus 4 and minus 3, and that comes out to be equal to minus 60. Thereby write it as 60 bar. Okay, now solving further, now this quantity comes out to be equal to 88. This quantity comes out to be equals to 47, and this is 60 bar. Okay, now write down 884760, and there is a bar on 60. Now it is a very simple calculation of bar numbers, so we can simply write it as 884640. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. Let's move on. Now let us check out question number 2. So here again we are going to take the base is equals to 100. So we write 103 as 100 plus 3. 98 is 100 minus 2. 96 is 100 minus 4. Okay. Then again select any number and add these two numbers. So we get 103 minus 2 minus 4. Okay, and then for the next place take the product taking 2 units at a time. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 2 into minus 4 is 8, and 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So we get minus 6 plus 8 minus 12 in the middle, and then multiply all of these three quantities at one point. So 3 into minus 2 into minus 4 is going to give us the quantity, that is 24. So write 24 over here. Now this quantity becomes equals to 97. This quantity becomes equals to minus 10, and this is obviously 24, and hence we are going to write down the answer as 9710 bar 24, which can be simplified a little further, and that becomes 969024, and hence our answer is 969024. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. So here we have three digit numbers all near to the base equals to 1000. Okay. Now 995, write minus 5, 996 minus 4, 997 minus 3. Now pick any number, add the other two digits. So we get 995 minus 4 minus 3. Okay. And then again the procedure will remain the same. Multiply these two, we get 20. Multiply these two, we get 12. Multiply these two quantities together, we get 15. So we get 20 plus 12 plus 15. And then lastly, multiply the three quantities together. Okay. So minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 3 becomes equals to minus 60. So write down the number 60 bar. Now this comes out to be equals to 988. This comes out to be equals to 47, and this is 60 bar. But again, because the base is equals to 1000, so we have to make it a 3-digit number. So we are going to write a 0 over here. And again, because the base is 1000, we have to make it a 3-digit number, and hence we are going to write 10 over here. And hence we get 988047060 bar, and upon simplifying it a little, we get our final answer as 988046940. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now let us check out the last question of this video, and here we have 1003 into 998 into 996. Again, the base will be equals to 1000. Now, 1003 is 3 more than 1000. 998 minus 1000 is minus 2. 996 minus 1000 is minus 4. Okay. Now, select any number. Let us consider 1003. Add the other two numbers, that is minus 2 and minus 4, and here we are going to write 1003 minus 2 minus 4, and then for the next step, multiplying these two quantities we get minus 6, multiplying these two quantities we get 8, and multiplying these two quantities, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So we get minus 6 plus 8 minus 12, and then lastly multiplying all of these three numbers simultaneously. So 3 into minus 2 into minus 4 will give us 24. So write down 24 over here. Okay. Now this quantity becomes equals to 997. This becomes equals to minus 10. So we write 10 bar, and this is 24. But again the base here is equals to 1000. So we have to make it a 3-digit number, and we have to make this also a 3-digit number, and hence we get 997010 bar 024, and thereby simplifying it a little, we get our answer as 996990024. Okay, I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.